the cloud. Okay, I just want to go over this again for you. Okay, so
Okay, let me
this,
just click off this thing. It says, okay, got it. Okay, sorry.
okay, so this is the SanDisk, and we want to make sure whether a song is going to just repeat the song over and over or repeat the playlist.
Right,
So you wake it up by pressing that little arrow there,
right.
and then I'm gonna go back to the folder, and I'm gonna click that little oblong bar, enter. Now my files are on playlist, but I think
Mine is on music.
yours is on music.
Music,
Okay,
yeah.
so find where the files are
All right.
and click that oblong button. Then
Okay.
go to, let's say, the Miracle AM. Okay, I'll click that middle button again.
Right.
And now let's say what's on here, the coronavirus. So now I'm going to click it again. There's the coronavirus. I'm going to press this little, the three horizontal lines right there. I'm going to press that to get
Mhm.
more options. And right now it says repeat all.
Mhm.
That means it's going to repeat
Right.
the whole playlist, the Miracle AM playlist over and over. Tonight, you'll go back, that little arrow button,
Mhm.
and then you'll hit folders, find it either in music or playlists,
Mhm.
and then use that little down button to scroll to either the PM Delta or the full PM list, right?
Mhm.
Click the enter, and then I always click whatever it highlights. And then I'm going to make sure by clicking that bottom button there, the three horizontal lines, and to make sure it says all.
Okay.
Now, if you just wanted to repeat whatever frequency we were at, so let's say we're on delta theta. If you want to repeat that frequency over and over again, you go down to the three horizontal lines, and then you change repeat to song. It's just going to keep playing that whatever you chose over and over, okay? Until you decide you want to go back to the full playlist. So again, three vertical lines there or horizontal lines there. And then it says song. You press that back to all. And now you're good to go. And to check that, if we go back to that frequency, it's on all.
Okay, I have a question. I just tried to do what you did because it's on all. Do I do anything else? I just go back. Once I press it on
Yeah,
all,
you just press this back key,
back
right?
key.
And
Okay.
if you keep going back, it's going to take you to folders.
Okay,
You're
see
gonna
what I
hit,
was doing, I was pressing the center key again. I didn't go
okay.
back.
Yeah, go to that back, like go back. That's the like
Okay.
go back. And when in doubt, press that go back.
Okay.
Waking it up, press that. That's like
Yeah, because
that's
I
the
didn't
key.
see this in the instructions, but maybe I was trying, you know what I'm saying? I'm reading the instructions and trying to do it. It
Well,
doesn't have that. So
thank
it's really
you
confusing.
for booking with me because I'm going to put this on YouTube. So I'm going to stop recording because everybody's going to really appreciate that. So thank you, Margie, for reaching out so I can